It's morning of the little road trip that we're going on. We're actually having to leave like at 5:45 in the afternoon because Julien has work. No biggie. And all this is going to be staying off the grid, like on BLM land or some other crazy trails that I found that are in the middle of nowhere. So we need to make sure that the FJ is in top running form. So yeah, it's a lot worse than I thought it would be. I guess that makes sense though.
The filter looks so much better.
All right, time to load up.
Finally got everything out of the garage. Time to load all this in there. We're loaded up.
Always locked and loaded.
Ready to go. Gonna be arriving to camp super late, 6-hour drive. Who finally is ready?
Hey.
My God.
Hey,
We got room back there.
let me just go fix this door.
Bro, no, what?
Look at this guy. He just brings loose socks. My God, what am I getting myself into? We are finally,
We're out here.
we're on 70 now, just past Idaho Springs. This guy's doorknob fell off and became a thing.
Yeah,
We're almost there, but we're watching this.
Let's go! From Gateway, Colorado. So we're about to be on a dirt road. It is no one out here, no service, super dark.
20 at night.
11:20 at night. See if we can find a campsite. Let's find this gnarly road here. Let's go, Cobra. Get in there. Go on. Go inside. Lay down. Right there. Alright. Camp is set.
Still works actually, kinda. So, my GoPro right now, you can't see it, but the screen is completely shattered. Ran it over on accident. Chopper. So these are the GoPro Hero 7 Blacks. Last sights, I guess. Last recordings. Stopped on the side of this spot. We are cooking on this little grill. Making coffee, we're making breakfast real quick. Burritos, probably cold in the middle. This one definitely is. Alright, so we have a decision to make. We can go, for some reason this is 22 minutes fast, 21 minutes faster to go all the way around. If we do this way, it shaves off 110 miles. We will see. I think this is working. We'll see what this gets us into right now. Here we go.
Here we go.
Julien wanted to go ride the bike. This is anticlimactic right now. There we go. That was very anticlimactic. On Google Maps still. Yeah, it's crazy. We are
coolest place Copper's ever been. Oh man, this is awesome. So we came out here and found it. There's like a 4x4 road. You come up from the highway. Highway's over there. It comes around. And we're like on this ridge. It's like a football field wide. So we got, this is the west side of the ridge. This is the east side of the ridge. And man, it was gorgeous. And there's just this pretty big drop over here. The sun's about to rise right over there. Yeah, that's a drop. I need to make that color. Yeah. So, just got up, about to make some breakfast. Maybe try to make it into Moab and find a shower at a YMCA or something. It's been a few days, but this place is awesome. We actually had two guys, I believe it was two dudes, walking up on us last night with flashlights. And tell you what, when you're out here by yourself in the middle of nowhere, it's a little spooky when someone else walks up in your camp. To ourselves. Trail we had to take. Too gnarly. Delicate Arches right now. We just jogged about a mile. Whew. Super heavy backpack. And yeah, we're trying to catch sunrise at Delicate Arches. So report back shortly. It turns out running with the backpack on uphill in the desert is really hard. Sunrise at 7:25, it's 7:09. There's the moon. And Delicate Arches should be just around this ridge. So, this is what 90%, 99% of the trail has been so far.